Hey Clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing a get ready with me because we're having a pool day. So yeah, let's get started. I'm holding my little cover up. I have a lot of important tips to share with you guys and some exciting news. Let's go. Okay Clouds, so what I do every morning or any time that I'm getting ready to go somewhere or even put makeup on, I always take this hemp oil that has coconut oil in it. And I just like to do this to moisturize my face, but also because it removes like the leftover makeup that might still be hiding there. Now guys, oil, even olive oil, is so good for your skin because it hydrates it and it just really gives it all those nourishments that it needs. And guys, I really rarely break out, but when my skin feels off or a little dehydrated, I do like to grab olive oil and sugar just to make a quick at-home exfoliation scrub, and my skin feels so amazing afterwards, and it really does work. Now, I'm not a skincare expert. I mean, I know a lot about skincare because I've been doing it for so long, but I will tell you the 100% truth to getting good skin, and guys, I promise you that's starting young. So what I mean by that is when I was like 9 or 10 years old, maybe even younger, I was always obsessed with skincare. Whenever I was bored, I would do a face mask for fun. Like I was just really into scrubs, face masks, facials, the whole 9 yards. And I promise you, whenever you start young, that's you prepping your skin for the future, because when we're young, we don't really have acne. So if you're prepping your skin while you don't have acne, it's a really good preventative for the future. So that's a good tip. And also a really easy tip, guys, drink lots of water. I try to drink at least 6 water bottles a day, but keeping your skin hydrated from the inside is also important as keeping it hydrated from the outside. Last important skincare tip is to, of course, hydrate your face. So what I mean by that is moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Moisturizing is so important because it prevents wrinkles, fine lines, blotchy spots, and it really just keeps your skin like firm and smooth. So that's a really good tip. And you always want to remember to get the neck because it's important to moisturize the neck now, just for, again, preventative care in the future. Now, my next step is also a very, very important skincare step. Anytime you do anything, like leave your house, no matter where you go, always put on sunscreen. Now, this sunscreen is kind of old. Very beat. I put it on every single day, so that's why it's very beat. But it's just the Olay sunscreen all day moisturizing lotion. And the reason why sunscreen is so important is just because the sun can be so harsh and damaging to our skin that, of course, that we want to prevent that. And guys, remember, anything that I'm doing to my face, I'm also going to be doing to my neck, lotion and moisturizing wise. And of course we want to put sunblock on because we're going out to the pool. I mean, I am going to be tanning, but I do not like, I know freckles are trending, but I really don't like my freckles, so I always want to put extra sunblock right here just to make sure those freckles stay hidden. And also it's really good to have just like a layer of sunblock even when you're tanning. Okay, so next we're gonna move on to eyebrows, and guys, I have such an amazing news. I have like a lot of things to share with you guys, so that's why I'm glad I'm doing this video. But Yo Girl and my cosmetic line are going to New York to be featured in a fashion show. I'm so excited! So my products are being used in the fashion show, and we're also offering them in swag bags. We're gonna go out there, promote, just be featured, and really just have a good time. But also, guys, we are going to go to New York and get my dress. I'm gonna go get size. We're gonna go put a deposit on it. And I'm so excited. The dress is so perfect. And if you're new to my channel, then you don't know that I'm getting my wedding dress from Kleinfeld's. It's actually where they say yes to the dress. Last time I went there to go look at their dresses, they weren't filming, but hopefully they'll be filming. Sorry, I was doing my brows, so it's really hard for me to talk while I do my brows just because I really need to concentrate. But I do have more exciting news, but first I'm going to be doing my SKY Beauty lip care sets in the flavor strawberry. Now, I use these every single day just because they are bomb and really the key to getting perfect, smooth, and plump lips. So this is the lip scrub. Lip scrubs exfoliate your lips, getting them ready for the final step, but they also take away all the dead skin cells, and then the lip conditioner just gets them all glossy, hydrated, nourished, and also plumps. So Clouds, we're actually going to be moving soon. We have found a new temporary place. Again, we're trying to look for a house. Just haven't had any luck. We need, you know, a good house with some acreage, so that's hard to find. But until then, we found a really cute temporary place. It's so cute. I'm so excited to move. It has 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms, and I get to have a YouTube filming room. So I'm so excited, and I get my own bathroom, guys. You have no idea how excited I am for my bathroom, just because my makeup's all over the counter. It drives Mason nuts, which is okay because It drives me nuts too, but it drives me nuts when I put it away. So I'm just so excited to get my own bathroom because my makeup's gonna be everywhere. I'm just so excited to move and just really decorate. I mean, we've been in this apartment for almost a year and we still have not really decorated, so I'm gonna buckle down and decorate this next place and then give you guys a really good tour once it's all finished. We were still just kind of like finding out where all of our furniture was from the move from Arizona. That's why this place isn't, I mean, it's put together, but like, I wish you guys could see my body right now because you would understand this gesture. It's just not ready. But the next place I will definitely give you guys a tour because I already have so many ideas, so many things in my checkout cart online, and we're ready to go. So the last step that I do before I leave the house anywhere, I mean, I literally can't leave the house without this. I always put on my SKY Beauty Skylighter in the color Luna, and it is so, so pretty. And watch, you guys will just see it in action right now. And I know it's a little silly to put highlighter on and then go tanning, but guys, I literally just can't leave the house without it. I'm gonna go in and blend it in with my finger a little more. Ooh. And then this little highlighter trick under your brows really just makes your brows pop, cleans them up a little bit. Oh, and guys, ooh, I'm gonna put some mascara on too. But I did want to tell you guys that I'm doing the Booty Queen, I'll tag her down below in my description, 9-week workout program, and I am almost done. I'm loving the results, and I'll do a like before and after post on my Instagram soon as I finish the program, and you guys are gonna be amazed. But I'm so excited because I'm gonna do mascara as well. That's how I'm excited. But I just love seeing the changes and the results, and it's amazing. So like definitely check her out for like a 9-week booty program because you'll see results and you'll be amazed. And it's also been really nice like staying consistent, putting myself first, and just like accomplishing all these crazy goals that are on her workout program. Like yesterday I did 200 squats with weights that I was gonna pass out, but I mean I accomplished it and it was just such a good feeling. Okay, so I'm putting on mascara right now just to like open my eyes up a little, make me a little awake and less scary looking. And bam, that makes all the difference in the world. Okay guys, I do want to do a Q&A video. I haven't done a Q&A video in so long, so go ahead and ask your questions in the comments down below so that I can answer them in my next video. I'm gonna go switch into my like full swimsuit and then we're gonna head to the pool. So yeah, I just put my hair down, threw on this robe with my swimsuit. You saw this swimsuit in my Victoria's Secrets haul. If you guys haven't watched that yet, go watch that now. So yeah, let's go to the pool. I know. It's bright. Okay, so we're back at the apartment. It was a really good day to go tanning, got lots of sun. It was kind of bright and that water was so nice and refreshing. So now I'm just going to go relax, rinse off, and edit this vlog and then upload it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, ask me your questions in the comments down below. And back to you guys shortly, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye, clouds. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe.